Rohan Umar and I am from class 3B. Today my lecture is about ancient Egypt. Where is Egypt? Egypt is in the northeast of the continent of Africa. Pakistan is in the continent of Asia. Children, as we already know that our country Pakistan is in the continent of Asia. Egypt and the river Nile Egypt is a dry country. It is mainly desert and has little rain. The river Nile flows through Egypt to the Mediterranean Sea. Without the river, all the country would be desert. Student, if there will be no river, then Earth will not have water and every country will change to desert. Long ago, the Nile used to flood every year between June and September. The river watered the land and left rich black mud on the banks. The mud was very good for growing crops. People got drinking water from the river Nile. They used river water for watering the crops and animals. They caught fish from the river. The Nile helped the ancient Egyptians to travel because boats were the quickest and easiest way to travel. It is so important. The Nile is more than 6,650 km long. The mud from its banks was good for making bricks. The papyrus plants along the banks were good for making a type of paper. Today there is a dam to block the Nile at Aswan. People can choose when to let the water out to flood the land. Houses in ancient Egypt. The people of ancient Egypt built their houses with bricks made from mud mixed with straw. They left them to dry in the sun. So their houses were made of the mud, bricks and straw. The desert was not a good place to live because it was very hot and dry. The people used the fertile land near the Nile for growing crops and keeping animals. To save space, they built their houses to or their storage. ऐसे थक जाओगे. The houses had windows with no glass high up in the walls. This helped to let the warm air out. The people painted the walls white to reflect the sunlight. This helped to keep the house cool. They cooked outside. Students, keep in your mind, these people don't have kitchen, so they were cooking outside to save their houses from heat. It is so important. Even poor people were buried with model of their houses. The models were called soul houses. Pyramids and mummies. Ancient Egyptians believed that if they look after the dead, the person's spirit could go on to another life after death. The person's spirit could go on to on another life after death. They buried their dead with the things they enjoyed or needed in their afterlife. First, they cleaned the body, then they rubbed and a type of salt all over it to dry it and stop it from rotting. After that, they wrapped it in strips of cloth. This was how they made a mummy. Student, this is a picture of pyramid. Students look out the picture of mummy. Students, hope so you liked my lecture about ancient Egypt. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. And Allah Hafiz.